Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is the Indian IT sector. I was waiting for results of all the big four companies which we have here in India in the IT sector. Therefore, going to make a video. Here it is. So these are the top four IT companies in India: TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech. We'll go through all the results of the quarter one, which is also called the COVID quarter. We'll see how the revenues and profits are. So this is the quarter one earnings of TCS for the financial year 21. This is versus the estimate which CNBC TV18 conducts. So the revenue has come in almost same as the estimates were, that is 38,322 CR, and profits are also not bad. We have seen a 9% decline, and EBIT margin has not improved, but the margin has improved by 30 bps. Infosys, on the other hand, has done pretty well in this quarter. The revenues estimated were 23,000 crore. It has posted revenues of about 23,665 CR, and profit has also jumped from the last year and CNBC TV18's poll, that is 4233 CR. Margin has improved by 190 bps, and EBIT has also increased by 13%. All in all, it's a good result. This is the quarter one earnings of HCL Tech. I could not arrange the data for Wipro. Never mind, we'll see that in the upcoming video. However, HCL Tech has performed okayish. Like, if you consider the quarter which was washed out by COVID and lockdowns, HCL Tech has posted profits of 2,925 crores with revenues of 17,841, which is not bad. Margin has not improved this time. So all in all, this is also an okayish result. I have prepared a video with all the comparisons of profits, revenues, and EBIT, attrition rate, etc. So we'll see that in the video. By analyzing the revenue, Infosys and HCL Tech both have grown 8% year on year and are the winners for this category, with an increase of 1862 CR and 1416 CR in revenue respectively. HCL Tech has grown 2.88% year on year and is the winner for this category, which is the net profit with 705 crores. Also, Infosys and HCL Tech both have grown 20% year on year and are the winners for this category, with an increase of 895 crores and 614 crores profits respectively. So we have analyzed all the top 4 IT companies. Like, there are people who want to work for these companies, but they don't want to own equity in the top 4 IT companies. I feel 2 of them should be in everybody's portfolio, at least 2, if not more. So here are a few recommendations. Among the top 4 IT companies in Q1 FY21. So if you are an aggressive investor, I would recommend to buy into these 2 stocks for a target of 1200 on Infosys, which is approximately 25% from here, and 1000 on HCL Tech for a couple of years time frame. And if you are looking for a good dividend yield, stable business and recognized growth, that is the Tatas, with a defensive mindset of investing. Defensive mindset is a very important term here, as it is relatively very safe to invest in TCS than in HCL or an Infosys. So we would recommend you to buy TCS at the current value.